Live from Hollywood, this is the KTLA Morning News.
Guys, snore? Do your pets snore? Is there a lot of rumbling going on at night in your house? Well, Gayle is getting to the bottom of it. Or to the top.
Well, we wanted to take a look. Well, either way, we wanted to take a look at this because the information was so unusual, thanks to Melanie D. Ravel with Green Pharmaceuticals. A product for pets that snore. You think I'm kidding? Some of you are living with this. Take a listen and a look. Oh, my goodness, Melody. So, anyway, Melody's, this is a family-run business. They realize there's a problem. So, as you see in your box there, they have other sleep remedies for people. They decided to address the problem with pets. This is a homeopathic anti-snoring product. It comes in tablets and it comes in a spray. It's okay for the pets, and it's shrinking the things that make them snore?
It's shrinking the swollen soft tissue in the back of the throat, and it's drying the mucus out of the sinus cavity so that it opens up and clears both air passages.
And then as with people, if this thing doesn't go away, they do recommend you take the pet to the vet as you would go to the doctor, because it might be a sleep apnea issue which requires something more serious.
Definitely.
In terms of treatment.
Yes.
We wanted to visit with Green Pharmaceuticals because they're known for doing wild things. Take a look at this. Remember, I guess it was earlier this year when the guy had SnoreStop on his forehead?
Back in January.
Yeah. And the mission was to let people know about the product by looking at his forehead, for which he was paid $37,000?
Yes.
And how did that work out?
It worked out very well, actually. We doubled in sales, and we got our name out there.
Wow. Well, let me show you something else they're doing. Now, this is some videotape we got from our friends in Columbia, South Carolina. You now have a man living on a billboard. There's a portable bathroom up there. Tell us about him, and this is to raise money for the children of fallen soldiers.
Right. Jamie King is up on a billboard in Columbia, South Carolina, and he's up there until we raise $1 million for a charity, which is for the children of fallen soldiers.
And if people go to your website right now, www.SnoreStop.com, you will see him right now, and it'll make you appreciate our weather right now because he is freezing. I just looked,
yes.
And he's wrapped up and bundled up, but he hasn't raised $1 million yet, so he's going to have to stay there.
He's going to stay there until he gets to till he reaches his goal.
In addition to doing some cutting-edge things with regards to people and pets and snoring, do you find that this cutting-edge business you're doing with advertising is changing the business?
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
And you know notice competitors are copying your style?
Yes, we had a great following after Andrew Fisher.
Okay.
We did.
All right, now let's give people some information. First of all, if your pet has a snoring problem, again, this might help. If you need to do something a bit more serious, check with the vet. And as for people, again, they have SnoreStop for people. But if you have sleep apnea, we did a story about that when NFL football star Reggie White passed away because he had sleep apnea, and they think there was a connection. The Sleep Evaluation Center in Northridge is one place to check. Gateway Sleep Labs is the other, and again, call and get some information because snoring is a symptom of something.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes.
Thanks for
and
the
thank
goodies.
you very much. Happy Thanksgiving and happy Thanksgiving to you. And my babies are all worn out now.
Yeah, they're all plum tuckered. All right.
They're not going to snore. Back
Ernie,
in a
Bert, and Kermit. We'll be back in a minute.
Drove my way, she said, darling, be a dear. Haven't slept in a year. I need your help to make my neighbor's happy dog.